Have you ever stopped to wonder how long you've been using the same towel? It may look clean, but did you know it could be holding onto germs, bacteria, and even mold? Yikes! In today's video, we're diving into the health and hygiene reasons why you should replace your towels regularly and how doing so can transform your wellness routine. How often should you replace your towels? Once a year, every 6 months, or perhaps never? Let me know in the comments below before we reveal the answer. In this video, we're going to explore why towel replacement is crucial for your hygiene, how often you should actually be swapping them out, and the secret hidden dangers in your bath linens that you might not be aware of. We all love our soft, fluffy towels. They're like a warm hug after a shower, but here's the thing: over time, even the most luxurious towels can turn into a breeding ground for bacteria. Let's talk about why regularly replacing your towels is not just a comfort thing, but a health essential. Let's face it, towels absorb water, sweat, dead skin cells, and even dirt from our bodies. And when they stay damp after use, they become the perfect environment for bacteria, mold, and mildew to grow. In fact, studies have shown that a towel left unwashed for just 3 days can harbor millions of bacteria. That's not something you want to be rubbing on your skin. Not only do towels collect germs, but their fibers also wear down over time. Washing them regularly breaks down the fabric, which means they lose absorbency and softness. If your towel feels rough or thin, that's a sign it's time to let it go. Experts recommend replacing towels every 2 years, but for gym towels or face towels where bacteria buildup is higher, every 6 months might be the way to go. You wouldn't reuse a gym shirt every day without washing it, right? Towels are the same. I remember having this one towel that I loved for years. It was my go-to, my favorite. But after some time, it started to smell funny even after washing. That's when I realized it was past its prime. So, if your towels aren't smelling fresh, it's not your detergent, it's the bacteria trapped inside. Time to upgrade. When you replace your towels regularly, you're not only improving your skin health by avoiding bacteria and mold, but you're also enjoying that soft, clean feeling again. New towels feel luxurious and absorb better, making every shower feel like a spa experience. Now, when you replace your towels, you want to invest in quality. Look for towels made from materials like Turkish or Egyptian cotton. These are long-lasting, absorbent, and maintain their softness for longer. Pro tip: avoid fabric softeners, as they can coat the fibers and reduce absorbency. So, have you checked your towel stash lately? Let me know in the comments if it's time for a towel refresh in your home. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health and home tips, and click the bell to get notified when I post new content. To sum it up, replacing your towels regularly isn't just about luxury, it's about maintaining good hygiene. Bacteria, mold, and rough fabrics can do more harm than good to your skin and health, so treat yourself to fresh, clean towels every now and then. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself and your towels.